The organizers of the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair have apologized for a power cut that delayed Vice President Constantine Chiwenga's speech by around 15 minutes during a business conference on Wednesday, 23 April. Sanapenda mashikobra nyiko panapa zvinzi aiwa mapower cut delays okanganisa VP Constantino Chiwenga panguva inoi on Wednesday pakanga vaida kupa the address. Sanapenda mashikobra nyiko panapa yakunukwa as a political sabotage. Not subscribe or like out on the bell. The outage happened just after Industry and Trade Minister Mangali Sondovu had invited Chiwenga to speak at the Zimbabwe International Business Conference when the room suddenly went dark. Chiwenga stayed seated while the issue was dealt with. Power came back briefly after 5 minutes, but then went out again. It was finally restored about 10 minutes later using a backup generator. In a statement, the ZITF organizers blamed the outage on an overload on the main ZESA line, along with a technical fault on the backup generator, and offered an apology for the disruption. Reads the statement. The outage of electricity earlier was due to an unexpected fault on the power lines into the fairgrounds of the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair Exhibition Smart City ZICES. Thomas wanobuda panapa in brief atinoti VP Constantino Chiwenga panguva ino vachidzimirwa mwenje vakuda kupa speech yavo vanhu voona kuti aiwa apa paitori sabotage iri kuitwa general vakatogona zvavo vakaramba vakagara pasi, maybe you never know zvavaida kuitwa murima imomo. Mashoko anobuda achitaurwa panapa navanhu vakasiyana siyana. You all know kuti maZimbabweans kana dziri issues dzekukomenda maissues mukapinda mucomment section ndo matichiwana maconversations akadaro evanhu achaudza kuti people panguva inoi vari kunyatsa kuspota, vari kuona magame plays ese ari kuitiwa against general. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutibudi pamusoro pechituku ichi muna comment section yedu. Idzi mafungiro enyu, musamusubscribe, like, chat on the bell icon.